guys, I'm Anushtha and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how you can achieve this look. So this is a very natural look and it's a beginner's natural makeup look. How a beginner can achieve this look. So if you are a beginner and you want to know how you can do this look, and if you're looking for something, if you want to do a natural makeup look and you don't know how to do it, so this video is for you and for anybody who just want to know how to do a natural makeup look without so many products or without any expensive products. Cheap, I think, not cheap, which are affordable, I will tell you. So yeah, so keep on watching and uske pehle please थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालो and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and also hit the bell icon ताकि जब भी अपनी next video डालूँ तो आपको पता लग जाए. And yeah, now keep on watching and let's get into the video. So the first step is using a good moisturizer. It's very important. तो हम भी use करने वाले हैं this Biotique one, and it's a really good moisturizer. You can use any of your moisturizers that suits your skin. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आपको हेल्प करते हैं आपके मेकअप को सेटल होने में. नाउ इफ you're a beginner, you don't really need to buy a good or expensive primers. It's okay, you can go with a nice moisturizer also. Next is a concealer. Concealer बहुत important है. So we're doing a natural makeup look. अब उसमें हम बस concealer use करेंगे, no foundation. We're gonna use this one. This is a Maybelline's concealer. It is instant age rewind concealer. This is the perfect concealer that you should go for. And when you're a beginner हो, आप एक concealer के लिए देख रहे हो, this one is the perfect. Don't go for it. I think you can see it's almost over. So I've been using it for it's been 1 year, and this one is, I just slapped this one. हम थोड़ा अंडर आई पे लगाएंगे. Doing just natural makeup look और थोड़ा यहाँ पे, and wherever you need, wherever you have spots, you want to hide them. थोड़ा वहाँ पे, थोड़ा chin पे, and yeah, that's it. How you should blend it? Always use a blender. You are a beginner, don't go for brushes. I think blender, beauty sponges are the best one that you should go for. And this one is from Nykaa, छोटू वाला ये. And it blends amazingly. And always make sure जब भी beauty sponge use कर रहे हो, it's damp. I'm just doing one more layer of concealer under my eye, and also make sure आप यहाँ पे भी लगा रहे हो, यहाँ पर make sure आप concealer use कर रहे हो. Concealer is the most important, I think. And blend it very nicely. I remember when I was a beginner in makeup, I didn't used to blend like very nicely, and it used to show. So that's the mistake we can do as a beginners. तो आप अच्छे से blend करो. Make sure you pack your concealer with the loose powder. It's the most important. Otherwise आपका concealer जो है वो crease हो सकता है, तो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. तभी हम use करेंगे Colorbar का loose powder. Also in this video, as you already know, I'm only going to show you guys the drugstore products. You don't need to buy expensive products. Always go for something affordable because you're trying out things. So make sure you do not buy expensive ones and go for instead drugstore products. और ड्रगस्टोर में बहुत अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. Maybelline, Colorbar, these are amazing brands. They have amazing products. Next are the eyebrows. Now for the eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Now this is not a drugstore product, but I don't have any one right now. तो मैं ये use करूँगी. पर the one you can use instead of this, I'll put the picture right here, somewhere here, and yeah, so you can check that out. Now I'm going to use this one. Now if you now this one is also very nice, but I'll tell you to use a drugstore one instead as a beginner. I think eyebrows are very important as a beginner. Make sure ज़्यादा नहीं करो, बस fill in the gaps. जहाँ भी वो gaps लग रहे हो अपने eyebrows में, just fill that. That much you have to do, just that much. Thing that I'm going to use is a kajal. Now kajal is something that every Indian knows how to use a kajal because हम बचपन से using a kajal. So today I'm going to use this Nykaa kajal. It's Nykaa's Eye Smokey kajal in black color. And kajals just change your look. It makes your eye looks bigger also and so beautiful. You can see the difference automatically. This eye and this eye. For the kajal I go for a curler to curl my lashes. It's very important for me. And as a beginner also, you should curl your lashes, and it's very easy. For once, you just need to concentrate in the mirror. Try to concentrate, okay, and then just take your lashes. Just do like this for like 1 minute. Not 1 minute also, like 1 minute if you want, and just leave it very carefully, but do it very carefully. You don't need to harm your eyes. Yes, like this, and just take your lashes and upward. I think it makes a lot of difference if you can see from, I don't know if it's visible or not, but it makes a lot of difference. Mascara. So I'm going with the Maybelline mascara. This is the Lash Sensational mascara. You can see now mascaras are the game changer. It makes your eyes look so beautiful and big also. So now that's it for the eyes part. Now for the face, first is the blush. Beginner ho, you don't need to go overboard. First do minimum because less is more. So I'm going to use this palette, and this is the Maybelline's Master Blush Color and Highlight Kit. Now if you have this, now this has 3 blush, coral, light pink, and one is still dark, and 1 highlighter. So you don't need anything else, you just need to have this one. Now we'll apply some blush. Use this coral color and this light pink one because I like mixing the colors and it will look beautiful. Just smile, and and one more tip, when you apply your blush, don't do like this, never. Just smile and apply your blush like this. Settle it down. You don't need to. फिर उसके बाद आप थोड़ा lightly you can just blend it out. तो आप nose पे ऐसे कर सकते हो, तो for a rosy kind of a look. After a lot of blush, you can see I love blush, and when you go for a natural look, you just need to apply lots of blush. When you're going for a natural look, you just need to apply lots of blush and will give you nice, beautiful look. And next thing for the face is highlighter, which is again I'm going to apply from this palette only. थोड़ा सा nose पे भी करेंगे. Take your ring finger and take a little of highlighter and then apply under your eyebrows, ताकि वो थोड़ा highlight हो and it will look instantly good. It's just for the highlight purpose, and also we're not going for any eyeshadow and all. So yeah, that's why make sure you highlight your eyebrows by applying highlighter under your eyebrows. It'll automatically give that nice lift to your eyebrows. My full face is done, and now the only thing is left is the lips. For the lips, I'll go for Maybelline's lipstick, and it's in shade Nude Nuance. This is the shade. It's a beautiful nude color. So natural look, you're a beginner, go with nudes. And yeah, this is the beautiful Maybelline shade, and it's not expensive and it's amazing. And it's in cream formula, so it's amazing. I just love these ones. So this is how the makeup has turned out. So I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you in some of the other ways and you liked it. And if you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, did you like it? What are your thoughts about it? Anything. And make sure to share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot if you take out some time or subscribe karo. And if you want to support me, then please do it. And also make sure to hit the bell icon ताकि आप हमेशा notified हो जाओ जब मैं अपनी में next video डालूँ. So till then, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. So that's it for the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.